How to fix Snapchat messages not sending or disappearing. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Now navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Then click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget the network. You will first restart your router and then rejoin it. Then you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and mobile data. This might fix your issue. Now you might be able to send the messages. Next, enable for the option Airplane Mode. This will refresh your network settings. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. Next, first restart your Snapchat app. So launch it, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, then remove the Snapchat, then relaunch it. Likewise, next thing you wanna do is head towards the profile page, click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Now scroll down, navigate to the option Clear Data, click on the option Clear Cache, then click on the option Clear. This will restart your Snapchat. Now you might be able to send the messages or your Snapchat messages won't disappear. Next thing you want to do is update your Snapchat. To do that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Snapchat. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. By following the solution, your Snapchat messages not sending or disappearing issue will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.